As Arizonans have sought unemployment benefits during the pandemic, scammers have found ways to take advantage of the system too.
Team 12's Colleen Sikora has some updates on what you should do if your identity was stolen.
The identity theft comes from things that we've told you about before, like phishing scams and data breaches. Unemployment benefits are just the way the scammers are using it to try and get money. Millions of claims coming to the Arizona Department of Economic Security during the pandemic. Alongside those who desperately need benefits are scammers taking advantage.
Provide us with a valid social security number, a name, and an address fraudulently to try to access benefits.
DES Director Michael Weishart says pandemic unemployment assistance bringing in more fraud than regular unemployment insurance.
If we paid on all claims that we're currently sitting on, the obligation to the taxpayer in fraud claims would far exceed $10 billion, which is completely unacceptable.
Leaving the department trying to weed out the legitimate from the fake.
It is very difficult for us to discern the law-abiding, eligible Arizonan from the fraudster that leveraged a data breach, whether it was Equifax or Target or any other data breach that may have occurred.
The FBI warning the scammers are using stolen identities to apply for benefits. Examples of fraudsters at work: debit cards mailed to Arizonans who never applied for unemployment, some receiving upwards of $5,000 or $6,000. DES also recouping $70 million in what's believed to be fraud from out-of-state accounts.
The fraudsters continue to get better and better at masking the fraud that they're attempting to commit.
So if you got a debit card or benefits and you did not apply, what do you do now? The Arizona Attorney General's office says with unemployment debit card fraud to report to multiple agencies. First, report the fraud to DES and file a criminal complaint with the Attorney General's office. You'll also want to tell your HR rep to flag notices from DES about claims filed under your name. Make sure to file a report with the FTC and contact the IRS. Finally, notify all 3 credit bureaus to what happened. These are steps to take now to help protect yourself and your identity once again. Weishart says while DES is working to weed out fraud, legitimate claims are stalling out, leaving a backlog of thousands of claims. You can watch our full interview with Director Weishart in the 12 News app. Colleen Sikora, 12 News.
All right, Colleen.